What's up, everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the reason why it's not recommended for you to add your social media pages on your website, or where is the best place for you to add your social media pages. Check it out.
Hi guys, so the reason why I am doing this video is because in one of the groups that I joined, a women group, they are debating whether they should add their social media pages on their website or not. And I'm surprised that most of them in the comment box disagreed of not having their social media icons on their website. But what is unclear about that is that where on your website should you add your social media icons or social media pages? And here I am going to explain why you shouldn't add your social media icons on your product page. And when we talk about product page, this is where the picture of the product is, the product description, and the option for them to add to cart. This is one step closer to checking out. This is one step closer for you to getting sales. And this is the point wherein they are deciding whether they should buy your item or not. So, do you want any distraction? Of course not. So, these social media icons here are actually distracting the buying process. So, let's see what happens if they share this page to Facebook. Let me share this to Facebook, and you just gave me a reason to exit out your website. And if I'm logged in on my browser, and that will direct me to Facebook, or I have an option to open my app. So you see, you gave me an option to exit out your website. The buying process has been distracted. And if you're dealing with a customer who's not tech savvy and don't even know how to go back to the previous page, you just turned someone away from a sale. How many percent of your audience, of the traffic to your website, is not tech savvy? What do you think? So, do you want any distraction like that? Of course not. Because if your goal is conversion, the buying process should be a breeze. Don't give them any reason to exit out your website. And where is the best place for you to add these social media icons? Let me show you where. On your homepage, beside the search bar or at the footer menu is the best place for you to position your social media pages, just not never on the product page. And I hope you learned something for today, and I want to know your thoughts, or if you want me to make more videos like this, just let me know in the comment box as well. Or if you know someone who will benefit from this, feel free to tag them. See you in my next video.